हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। होप आप लोग सब अच्छे होंगे। आज हम आपके लिए एक रैंकिंग का सेशन लेकर आए हैं। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये बताती हूँ रैंकिंग होती क्या है। लेट्स सपोज आपकी क्लास में किसी बच्चे की पोजीशन फर्स्ट आई है, सेकंड आई है, थर्ड आई है। So this is called as your ranking. Okay, what is the rank? What is the rank in studies in a class? Let's suppose you are going for some एक्टिविटीज, वहां पर आपका क्या रैंक आया है। ठीक है, तो ये सब चीजें रैंकिंग की कैसे डिसाइड होती हैं, इसके लिए कुछ रूल्स हैं। हम उसमें से कुछ रूल्स को आज आपके सामने लेकर आए हैं। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट। व्हाट आर द रूल्स फॉर रैंकिंग? लेट्स सपोज आई एम टेकिंग योर फर्स्ट रूल। ओके, व्हाट इज दैट? The total number of objects in a group or class is equal to one less than the sum of the position of the same from the both ends, either right or left or top and the bottom. Since the same object is counted twice the sum and final answer is one less than the total sum. What does it mean? लेट्स सपोज मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ कि एक बच्ची की पोजीशन स्टार्टिंग से 5th नंबर पर है और एंड से वो 6th नंबर पर है। तो व्हाट इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर? हाउ मेनी टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर? हाउ विल यू एबल टू नो दीज थिंग्स? सो आप इसे कैसे करेंगे? तो उसके लिए हमने, जैसे मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया, 5th फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग एंड 6th फ्रॉम द एंड। ओके, so it means total number of students are 5 plus 6 minus 1. It means total number of students are 10. Okay, total number of students are 10. Just I will give you another example. Okay, let's suppose I'm talking about this white balling here, right? Can you see white ball here, everyone? So the total number of objects in a group or class is equal to one less than the sum of positions of the same object from both the ends. Just like if I'm talking about what is the position of white ball here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4th position from the top. And what is position from the bottom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 7th from the end. So it means 4 plus 7 minus 1. 11 minus 1. That means 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 minus 1 is 10. It means total number of balls are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you see total number of balls are 10 here? Okay, everyone? So this is the way. Why you subtract 1 here? Because I'm counting this white ball twice. I'm counting from here as well here. So, but white ball is one is there only. So that's why I will subtract 1 because I have counted this number twice. Got it? So let's do one more question based on that. Okay. This question I have already come in SOF IMO 2019. Rashmi is standing in a row of girls. If she is 19th from the right hand and 11th from the left hand. If you are talking about this is a, let's suppose this is a row. Rashmi is standing from the right. This is your right hand. This is your left hand. Okay. So she is 19th from the right. Okay. And then she is 11th from the left. So I will add them and I will subtract 1. So it means 19 plus 11 minus 1. That means 30 minus 1. So that means 29. So your answer will be option B. Let's see, is it correct or not? Yes, it's correct. Got it? Let's go to another question. In a row of boys, Rohit is 12th from the right hand and 18th from the left hand. How many total number of boys are there in the row? This question has already come in IMO 2020. So this is a very simple trick how to do that. So what you will do? 12 from the right hand and 18 from the left hand. Because Rohit is counted twice, that's why I will subtract 1. So it means 12 plus 18, that's a 30 minus 1. So your answer will be 29. Got it, everyone? Your answer will be 29. Now we will go to rule number 2. Okay, what is the rule number 2 here if you see that? Okay, रूल नंबर 2 में मैं आपको ऐसे लेट सपोज मैं कह रही हूं कि कोई भी स्टूडेंट है, उसकी पोजीशन लेफ्ट हैंड से 20 है. ओके, लेफ्ट हैंड से उसकी पोजीशन 20 है और उससे पहले 5 स्टूडेंट्स है. तो कितने टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हुए? तो अगर आप देखोगे 5 + 20 25 स्टूडेंट्स हुए. ओके, अगर मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ टॉप से किसी स्टूडेंट की पोजीशन 15 है और उसके बाद 7 स्टूडेंट्स और हैं, तो इसका मतलब टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन दैट रो आर 15 + 7. दैट्स योर सेकंड रूल. इज वेरी सिंपल. द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पर्संस ऑब्जेक्ट इन अ ग्रुप is the sum of before and after the given persons in a row and the position. Just like 15th is their position and 7 students are after or before them, before him. So total number of students. Okay, this is the way to find total number of students. So this is the question based on rule number 2. Okay, so in a row of persons, the position of Manoj from left side of the row is 25th. Okay, and there are 5 persons after him. Okay, so how many total number of persons were there in a row? So 25 were there and 5 persons after that. It means total number of persons are there is 30. Got it, everyone? Okay. Now, these I have mentioned 2 roles of ranking here. Now I will explain you the different types which counts under this portion. Okay, what is this? So one is, another topic is alphanumeric puzzles. We will solve alphanumerical puzzle. Okay, what is this? A puzzle is given and a candidate is asked how many times a number or letter follows a certain rule, or which number letter shows follows a certain rule. Let's suppose I have given an example. How many times 5s are there in the following arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by an even number, but not immediately followed by 6. So you have to make a pair of in which 5 is coming in between, because they are saying which is immediately preceded by. Preceded means उससे 5 से पहले वाला नंबर एक इवन नंबर होना चाहिए, बट इट शुड नॉट फॉलोड बाय 6. लेकिन उसका बाद का नंबर 6 नहीं होगा, कोई और हो सकता है. सो लेट्स काउंट इट द पेयर्स ऑफ 5 हियर. ओके, in which we can see 3 numbers of 5. This is a 5 I can see, so I will take this one. Can I see 5 here? Yes, so I will take this one. Can I see 5 here? Yes, I will take this one. Can I see 5? Yes, I will take this one. Okay, so now I have to follow the just this arrangement. If you can see that I have taken this number, this number, this number, this number, in which 5 is the middle number. Okay, can you see that? Now, what was your condition? The condition should be that 5 should be preceded by an even number. So this is an even number, this is even number, this is an even number, this is an even number. So it means all conditions are we can follow here, but it should not followed by 6. It is followed by 6? No. It is followed by 6? No. It is followed by 6? No. It is followed by 6. It means we are not supposed to consider this. This can't be my answer. So how many options are there? 3. 1, 2, and 3. The numbers in different colors is not possible because it is followed by 6. So your answer will be 3. Got it? This is also very important type of question. This question has already come in one of the Olympiad paper. I'm discussing only those questions who has already come in Olympiad papers. Okay. Next, let's the next question. Which of the following words will come second if all of them are arranged alphabetically as in a dictionary? Okay. Who can look for a word in a dictionary? कौन कौन से बच्चे डिक्शनरी में आप अपने वर्ड्स को ढूंढ सकते हो मगर अगर आपको कोई वर्ड बोला जाए? ओके, तो जरूर आप मुझे ये बताइएगा आप क्या कन्वर्जन वर्ड आप क्या ढूंढ सकते हैं डिक्शनरी में? ठीक है, ये जरूर मुझे ढूंढ कर बताइएगा. तो अगर हम देखा जाए अल्फाबेटिकली मीन्स दे विल स्टार्ट विद द ए. Okay, in dictionary what happened, they will start with the A, then A should be followed by A, after that A, after that A like B, then AB, then AC, and so on. After that it will start with the B, then after B we will check for the first words A, then B, then C. If you see that all starts with the B, so first is a B. After that second word, now we will look for the second word. E here, A here, A here, O here. So obviously A will be your first words. So it means only option banana and basket in our bucket. Okay. So only these two options in which we have to check which will come first. Okay. So BA, BA. Correct. After this, I will look for the third word. Okay. I'm looking for third word. Here is N and here is S. Can you tell me? N will come first or S will come first? N will come first or N will well. So obviously, if you count the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. So obviously N will come first. So its answer will be banana. Okay. Next one. Now I will look for the logical sequence question. Okay. What is a logical sequence? It is just like if you see, अगर मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ कौन सी चीज पहले आती है और कौन सी चीज बाद में आती है, उसकी क्या लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस है, आप मुझे बताइए. क्या आप सीड को पहले डालते हो सॉइल में, या पहले आपकी रूट या आप उसका कहोगे आप वो ट्री पहले आता है? ऑब्वियसली आपको सीड पहले डालना है. तो कोई भी आप इसमें क्या हुआ है, हमारे इस क्वेश्चन में क्या किया गया है, हमें एक सीक्वेंस बतानी है कि एक बच्चे की क्या सीक्वेंस होती है जनरली. A candidate is required to identify the sequence and to put them in a logical sequence. Okay, just like number one is kid, school, marriage, birth, college. Can you tell me what will come first? Obviously, first of all, birth will come. So option 4 will come. After that, after birth, a kid will be there. One option will be there. After that, will he go to school or college first? Obviously, he will go to school first. So option 2 will first. Now, out of college or marriage, which come first? So generally, college will come first. You have to study first. After that, your marriage will happen, right? So it means 5. And after that, it will be 3. So 4, 1, 2, 5, 3. That will be our answer. Got it, everyone? So by that way, we are able to done the logical sequence. Okay, logical sequence में आपको क्या करना है कि अपने लॉजिकली जो चीज पहले आती है हमें अरेंज करना है उसको. ओके, आफ्टर दैट आई विल टेक one question for the time sequence. Just like logical sequence is there, just like time sequence is also there. What is the meaning of time sequence? It's just like the questions based upon your timing. Just close this based upon your calendar. Okay. If Monday falls on the 2nd of a month, then which day will fall 2 days after 10th? Okay. Monday falls on the 2nd of a month. Okay. It means 2nd day of any month is Monday. Fine. Okay. We know that there are 7 days in a week. After 7 days, the same day will repeat. Okay. So it means after 7 days, it means on the 9th, you will get the same day. It means Monday. Okay. They are asking which day will fall 2 days after 10th. So 9th on Monday. So it means 10th will be Tuesday. Correct, everyone? But they are asking for 2 days after that. It means they are asking for 12th. 11th will be Wednesday. And 12th will be your Thursday. Got it? 12 will be there Thursday. So it means 2 days after 10th will be Thursday. So this type of question, these are very easy question. Only you have to you can just take a rough book and make a calendar over there. Okay. If you will do that, then every question is easy for that. Okay. So one last question for today's class. Okay. This is also a Olympiad question. Select the combination of numbers so that letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful word. Okay, so what is this? H, B, M, R, S, U, O. Can anybody guess? Okay, so we have to make it meaningful word. Okay, fine. We are not supposed to make any random words which is already don't have any meaning. Okay, so I can see this is related to math. Can anybody tell me what is this? Which word is this? I can see. If you will say R first, okay. If you will say then H, okay, then O, then M, then B, then U, then S. Can you see this word? Yes. What is this? Rhombus. What is rhombus in mathematics? Yes. Tell me in your chat box. Okay. What is rhombus? We will discuss in a math class what is rhombus. Okay. So if you say that R is a 4 here, H is a 1 here, O is a 7 here, M is a 3 here, B is a 4 here, U is a 6 here, and S is a, sorry, I have written B as a 2 here. Sorry. S, this is U is as a 6, and S is as a 5. 4, 1, 7, 3, 2, 6, 5. Yes, this is your option number C. Correct, everyone? So by this, with this question, I'm ending this session. Okay, everyone? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर आपको हमारे आजकल इंडियन ऑनलाइन स्कूल की तरफ से डेमोज भी चल रहे हैं, प्लीज ज्वाइन देम. ओके, फॉर दैट विजिट आवर वेबसाइट एंड आपको हमारे इनका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. हम आपके लिए कुछ अलग से लेकर आएंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.